In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply drop shadow to an image in Wix Studio. To get started, open your site inside Wix Studio and go to the page where the image you want to edit is located. Once you're on the correct page, find the image and click on it. As soon as the image is selected, you should see its settings become available along with the inspector panel, which is where many of the design controls are managed. Next, with the image still selected, open the design options or use the inspector panel on the right side of the editor. In that area, look for the effects section. This is where Wix Studio gives you visual styling tools that can help your image stand out more on the page. If you're not seeing the exact option right away, make sure the image itself is selected and not a surrounding container or section. Once you've found the effects area, click on Shadow or Effects, depending on how it appears in your version of the editor. Then turn on the Drop Shadow option. As soon as you enable it, Wix Studio will automatically apply a shadow to the image, giving it more depth and helping it separate visually from the background. After that, you can customize the shadow to match the style of your site. You can change the color if you want something softer, darker, or more branded. Adjust the opacity to control how subtle or strong the shadow appears. Use the blur setting to make the shadow look softer or sharper. You can also change the distance or offset to move the shadow horizontally or vertically, depending on the direction you want the light effect to feel like it's coming from. Finally, adjust the spread to control the overall size and intensity of the shadow. A light shadow often looks cleaner and more modern, while a stronger one can create a more dramatic effect. When you're happy with the settings, click Preview to see how the image looks in action. It's a good idea to check the design across desktop, tablet, and mobile layouts, since visual effects can look slightly different depending on screen size. If needed, go back and fine-tune the shadow until it looks right. Once everything looks good, click. Keep your changes, then click Publish to make them live on your site. After publishing, visit your live website and confirm that the drop shadow appears correctly. And that's how to apply a drop shadow to an image in Wix Studio.